Hello everyone, it's Melissa and I am getting ready to start another layout, so let's get started and what I hope to use. Now this is in a page protector because I was leaving it out overnight to flatten because it was just really curled up from being cut with my Cameo. And so essentially you can see my hand here. So this is white cardstock, 12 by 12 size, and then I made some cuts here. I'm going to be doing some backing up behind these voids. This is actually inspiration that I received online from a couple different layouts that I've seen between Bella Boulevard and Scrapbook.com. And so yeah, we're just gonna see what I can do. I know backing up cut files is all the rage, so I've done it a handful of times and I'm just going to do it with this one. So this is a cut that either I got from Paper Issues or I got from like the Scrapbook and Cards Today magazine, like one of their cut files, but it was in my Cameo and it was in my library, so that's what I'm going to use. I've printed these 3 pictures. This one is 4 by 6, a little smaller because it has a border, and these 2 are 2 by 3. And these are this is going to be titled like Christmas Cuties or something like that, because normally I do a card or a page from the Christmas card that we do every year, and since I didn't essentially mail out Christmas cards, they didn't make it to paper fruition. I just figured I would do some of these cute ones that I took of my kids with their Santa hats on. The collection I pulled to hopefully use is from an old Ellie's Studio, the Noel collection. And I've just got bits and pieces in here, and yeah, so we're gonna use that to back this up, add some embellishments and some stamps as usual, and see where it takes us. All right, I'll be back. Hello everyone, it's Melissa. I'm here and I have another layout finished, and so here we go. So like I mentioned before, I wanted to play with this collection from Ellie's Studio. It's called Noel. It's either from last year or the year before. And so here we go. So I just love how it turned out. I used a cut file like I mentioned. I don't know where it's from. So, but I did, like I showed in the first part of the video, I cut it on white. I went ahead and backed the file with the paper. And yeah, just using bits from that collection. This is a piece of flare. I don't know where it's from, but I put a little pinked piece of brown behind it and some gold thread, and just added 2 other pieces. These are brads actually. And then over on this side, this is a printable from Ellie's Studio. I used a pinked red circle. This is an envelope. I'm not sure where it's from. Maybe Fancy Pants. Not quite sure. And then this was a tag that was on a present from a couple years ago, and I just thought it was beautiful. And so I tucked it in there, and it actually had this pin on it, so I just left it and used my tiny attacher and just stapled it. I used some of my Buffalo Check washi. Believe in the Magic is from a stamp set, so here's the Buffalo Check. I got it maybe from, I don't know where, Target, but, and then the Believe in the Magic is from the Sony Studios Holiday Style, and I just masked off part of this stamp and embossed it on black cardstock with white detailed embossing powder. The Christmas glittered chipboard, that's actually from a collection from Michael's. I don't know, maybe last year or the year before. And I dumped them out so I could look through them. And here's what they look like. There's just a bunch of little bits. So I cut Christmas, or sorry, I didn't cut Christmas. I used Christmas. And then the Cuties was just from some scrap green cardstock, and I used the MFT bottle cap alphas. And then this from the Dynamics Accent It. This pinked circle is the one that I used on this page, aside from this one, but I used another piece of brown here, and then this piece of flare as well. This is a piece of craft with some gold accents that I cut maybe last year. It was just in my stash of scrap stuff. Some more buffalo check. And then this is actually a bit that I cut from a Christmas card from somebody, I don't know, last year or the year before, I don't know, but it's like heavy chipboard, so I kind of just grunged it up a little bit on the edges, added my type journaling on here with my typewriter, and that's it. So I will have you note that I've said in the past, and I've done this before, that I do not mind mixing my creams and my whites and my browns and my blacks. So like this tag is cream, it's like an off-white with gold. This journaling was done with like a very vanilla cardstock. This is an off-white. This cream here, there's a little bit of cream kind of background here. And so, yeah, that does not bother me. I think actually, and there's several people in the industry that are bringing cream and white and gold back as more of like an elegant, upscaled type combination. So I love it. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. It's pretty self-explanatory. And I just think it turned out awesome. I'm very pleased with it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I will put the link to my Facebook page and my Instagram in the description box below, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.